आज हम अपने न्यू वीडियो के साथ जो कि है वर्किंग ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, तो चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें। तो पहले है कोalition गवर्नमेंट। A coalition government is the form of government in which political parties cooperate to form a government. Second, judiciary. All courts at different level in a country pass together are called judiciary. Third, legislative. An assembly of and people representative with the power enact laws of a country. Political institution, a set of institution procedures for the regulatory the conduct of government and political life in the country. I zoom it, you see. And then they tick the correct apart from the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha election contribute the following: president. Second, how far the can Lok Sabha money bill? 14 days. Who is the president officer of Lok Sabha? Speaker. Which is the following institution can make change in the existing law? Parliament. Which body act as a guardian of the fundamental right? Supreme Court. And the very short question: which is not an institution of the parliament democracy? It is not take party money matter. What is the Lok Sabha of the parliament called? What is the lower house Lok Sabha? The upper house of the national legislative of the USA upper house is called Senate and the lower house is called House of Representative. How many members can the president nominate in the Rajya Sabha? 12 members. And then the next is how many members can be appointed in the cabinet? 15% of the total number of Lok Sabha members. Who is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces President from 1962-67? Who is the President of India? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Eighth question: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of India from which date to which date? 1947 to 96 for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the president. And then you see, and next question is name the different Prime Minister of India till date. I zoom it, you see. And the second question is who appoints the president, prime minister and the council of minister on what books? The council of minister headed by the prime minister to aid and advise the president. The prime minister is appointed by the president who also appointed by the other minister in the advice of prime minister. And the third question compare the power of the bill of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha in the fields of the money bill. Money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. And the next page, Rajya Sabha cannot amend or reject the bill. The money bill has to be returned to the Lok Sabha or without the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha has the power to reject the recommendation of the Lok Sabha. And then the fourth, how is the President of India removed? The President of India may also removed before the expiry of the term through the impeachment for the violating of the Constitution of India by the Parliament of India, and many process may start in either of the two houses of the Parliament. And then the next question, answer the following: what is the reaction of the people to the implementation of Commission of Mandal? The implementation of the Commission Mandal to the widespread protest and the counter protest, some of which were violent. The people reacted strongly because this decision affected by the thousands of job opportunities. Describe the way in which Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. Any ordinary law needs to be passed by both, but if there is no difference between the two houses, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha has larger number of members than Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha controls the Council of Ministers. All the money bills can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha after being passed by the Lok Sabha. A bill sent organized to the Lok Sabha. And then the third question: what are the power of Supreme Court? You see. And then next page, match the following. First question: Supreme Court implemented the decision by issuing an order. Second, cabinet upheld reservation as valid. Third, president took up the decision to give 27% job reservations for government officials, made formal announcement about the decision. And then they read the following statements and place them under the proper holding of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Known as Council for Ministers enjoys more power in money matter. Known for lower house can remove the Council of Ministers. Exercise real power on the behalf of people. Look matter after interest and various states. It is permanent house and H is equal to H is no money can be introduced. And the Lok Sabha, you see, answers. Lok Sabha enjoy more power in money matter. Known as lower house can remove the Council of Ministers. Exercises real power on the behalf of people. And then you see, so friends, like, subscribe and share my channel. तो दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब यू सी। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। हमारा अगला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे जल्दी से, बेल आइकन पे दबा दे दोस्तों।